All right, I have a good news for you. CompTIA is providing free CompTIA SecOT Plus certification, which is currently is in beta. And if you read here, it says earn the CompTIA SecOT Plus certification free of charge. Official beta exam results will be released. Exam launches in December 2026. So please pay close attention whatever I'm going to say. Otherwise, you'll miss the opportunity. So next step is to first know the syllabus. Syllabus is here. So what to expect in the exam is clearly mentioned. All the objectives, summary, everything is there. What you got to prepare. It will help you to expect what they are going to be in the exam. There's a preview of full OT exam objective as well. So you got to prepare. So next step is to provide the honest answers. I'll click on this link. Now let's provide some honest answers here. So let's select the job or role. It can be different for you. Please do not select the exact one. Select whatever is relevant to your skill and role as per your organization, right? So I'll go to the next step, fill up the basic details. Based on the above details, are you interested to consider in the participation? Yes, I'm considering. That's why I'm filling the form, right? I acknowledge. So then got to fill up these basic details. Let's fill up this and I'll next click on submit. All right. I've submitted the clicked on the submit button. It says thank you for completing the form. If you qualify, please note it says if you qualify and are selected for this beta exam, you will be notified with the detailed instruction on how to register. So you might be having a question that I'm not getting selected. So please note it's completely up to CompTIA. They will select you and contact you via email perhaps. So please have patience and please do share this video with your friends and colleagues so that it can help them to appear for this free certification, which is a good opportunity. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel because we regularly update videos related to high-paying IT certification, especially CompTIA practice test, which you can prepare. The most famous ones we regularly updates and push, and also Databricks, Google Cloud, Snowflake, everything you'll find here. And we have just completed 4,000 subscribers. Thank you for your support and please do consider subscribing. And please stay connected so that you don't miss such certification free opportunity.